Let's try to categorize some of the things by using mark station option. This is Mohammad Abbas from Computer Tech Skill and welcome to the 11th class of Microsoft Word for Beginners. Well, you can make many of the categories, but let me try to make 3 of the categories. That one of them will be related to vegetables, second of them will be related to things, and the third of them will be related to fruits. Let me go for mark station option, and firstly let me try to make some of the categories by using this option. Go for categories, and over there you can find 8, 9, 10 or 11, 12. Try to go for 8 and try to type something vegetables and replace that. Try to go for 9, select that, go for fruits, replace that, try to go for 10, and things. Things you may say like mouse, keyboard, LCD. Try to close that because I have made 3 of the categories. So what I have to do is to type some of the names, like let me type 2 names of vegetables: potatoes, tomatoes, and let me go for fruits: mango, banana, and also let me try to type 2 of the things: keyboard, mouse. So what I have to do is to select this word which is known as potato and go for mark station. And what I have to do this time is to go for this category because this is something that I have to be selecting the category. So I have selected vegetable like potatoes. I have to be selecting vegetables. Click that, mark that. Go for the second one, tomato, mark station, and over there you can select you have to be selecting vegetables too, mark, close. Try to go for mango. And this time you don't have to be selecting the vegetables because I have made separate category known as fruits. So I have to be selecting fruits, mark, close. Banana is also something related to fruits, mark, close. Go for keyboard and select mark station. Try to go for things, mark, close. Mouse, go for things, mark, close. What I have to do is to remove all of the extra things that are present there. Go for home and try to click this option. Now everything is cleared. Try to go for references back and hit enter 2 or 3 times. This time what I have to do is to go for insert table of authorities and hit OK. You can obviously see or observe that over there we have vegetables, which at the bottom of that there are 2 words, which are one of them is related to potatoes and the second one of them is related to tomatoes. You can also say that mark station is also used for table of contents plus making some categories, and there is another category, fruits. So you can add it furthermore by clicking there, hit enter, and this time I have to type glass and room. And these 2 names are also counted in things. Try to select that, go for mark station, and over there it's already selected things, mark, close. Try to go for mouse, try to go for things. What I have to do is to go 1 step back or remove this option. Go 1 step back, just try to type glass, select that, go for references, mark station, mark, close. Let me remove the extra things that are present there. Go for this option, and this time we do not have any sort of a name that is related to glass. So what I have to do is to click on the category that the glass is added in. So I have edited the glass. I have edited the glass in things group or category. So let's go for references and If I click there, update table is not working. If I click on things category, now it starts working. Go for update table. See, glass word is coming also in this category. So this is what is related to mark citation. I hope you have enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, please give a thumbs up, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye bye for now.